inestable. Tu chica me ama porque soy inigualable. Messi en la cancha, no intentes marcarme. Si estás conmigo, no intentes traquear.
Okay.
I've been watching you for a while. I know you look at me the same way. You move up close, but you don't speak. I have to look the other way. But curiosity is killing me. It gets the better part of me. Watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me. Yeah. One step away, I want you. I gotta know, I gotta know. One step away, I want you. Don't wait too long, don't wait too long. Baby, don't go and mess it up.
I see why some people get keep. Cause tell me why I go to Macro and I couldn't find my favorite wine because it's literally sold out and I had to order online. I'm not saying we should get keep, so before you guys will come for me, but I'm just saying, because why can't I find it? Like, why? Hey you all, how are you all doing? So I have this button that I've been wanting to do, but I keep forgetting. So I said today is the day. I got this from my PS. I got another crybaby and a Valentino. So let's unbox. Let's start with this. The crybaby. I think this is what I'm getting. This one, either of the two. Oh, it's the same thing basically. It's green. It's green. Magic! I think I like this more. Oh, let's unbox this. I'm so excited to open this one. I don't know if you can see this. When me looking at it, I think I can guess what it's in there. It has all those tags, the pricing, and yeah. It's a earring. Oh, these are the cutest. I don't know if you can see it. And it's gold plated. And the inside, it's dazzling, kind of looks like pinkish, peaches. I don't know, but it's so good. Let's try that. Let's try that. It's so nice. That is so beautiful. Try this happening here. This is lovely. Thank you so much, babes. God bless you. One thing to unbox. It's this. This sunglasses I got from Sunglass On. It's Dolce and Gabbana. It's pink. It's pinky. I like this, but I would have loved if it comes in other color, or if I could get the black, because you know black goes with everything. But I just had to get this for the pop of color. It's nice. I bought it to match this my Jockey Moose bag, purse, clutch. You know, it does match. You see, match. Yeah, I like it. I like the lens. You can do daytime and nighttime. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I have this I don't know if I should call it a two-piece, but it's a two-piece gym set that I bought separately from Total Sport. I love this biker short. It's so sexy. And so this is my fit for today. It's in burgundy. And yeah, I love the sport bra. Ooh, I love it so much. It's like the support is on the high. So it's very good. So let me change quickly. I'll show you the fit and yeah. Here's the final look. want to show you guys a few of the items I got recently. And I don't want to show haul, but let me show you one of the sneakers, my New Balance sneakers. I don't know what to do with all of this because, yeah, look at this. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. I love, 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 love. I love the color, the details. It's gonna help a lot because I'm gonna wear it a lot for gym. And this is the other one that I got. It's New Balance as well. I love this color. It's black. I love black. And black goes with a lot of things. So, yep. Yep, 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 yep. And this one is from, this other one is from Adidas. I'll show you. Ooh, how cute is this? This is so gorgeous. So, yeah. That's all I want to show you for now. Not me matching with my two-piece. This two-piece is so comfortable. I bought it at Techie something. Yeah. So I like it. It's so comfortable. I'm using it as my lounge wear. So sleeky. Just left the gym to my waxing appointment now. I'm there already. Just walking. I'm exhausted. I'm in a flower shop again. Shekamu. Hey guys, so let's prepare for Mother's Day dinner. I have this jacket that I have not wear anyway. I like to buy things just in case of incasity. And yeah, I got it from the Fix. It's so cozy, and as you know, we are in winter. I have this leggings that I bought when I went to Lagos for my last trip. And this, so yeah, let me put it on quickly and show you the final look.